Snow White said to the witch, I'm quite impressed by the wares that you sell. I can tell they look so fine, they'll taste divine. But though I need apples for my apple cake, I've become a bit more cautious of late. And so here's the thing I would like to know. So far my life has had both bad and good, but I don't care as long as the ending is Hollywood. I don't want to sign up for a story unless I can be sure it has a fairy tale ending. A fairy tale ending. Snow White said to the prince, I really enjoyed that kiss I have missed. The human touch so much. But before we go planning weddings and trips, I would like to know more of you than your lips. And so here's the thing I would like to know. So far my life has had both bad and good, but I don't care as long as the ending is Hollywood. I don't want to sign up for a story unless I can be sure it has a fairy tale ending. A fairy tale ending. Though there are fairy tales without fairy tale endings, I think you can guess the message I'm sending. I want days that are filled with warmth and with laughter. That's my version of fairy tale. That be my happily ever after. So far my life.
Woohoo! Cool! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31,